All right, thought I would just give you a show of what's going on. We're having more snow here. Should be like 30 centimeters before this is over. It's just starting. Saying we should have 30 centimeters by Monday morning. It'll give you an idea of how long it's going to go on, I guess. We haven't had any live snow cams up this winter. But to be honest with you, the storm we had 2 days ago and this one, it's going to be like a half a winter snow in 2 storms. It's supposed to be pretty bad off and on, like blizzard conditions. It's really, visibility's pretty poor right now. But this is the snow you're hearing about in Ontario today. Really hoping the weather starts to take a turn. It looks like after November that's a possibility. Or after February, I mean. Right now, all the way out until at least the 21st, as far as I can see, it looks like we're still going to have some pretty cold weather. But possibly this will be the last big snow. Who knows? Kind of hard to say. It is definitely starting to come down now, though. This is what we're dealing with in Ontario today and tomorrow. Yeah, I'm just doing video from through the window because it's kind of naughty out there. It's not a nice time outside at all. And our gimbal wouldn't survive the chill in the air, to be honest with you. I don't think it would anyway. Kind of hard to see that way because of the screen in the window. Really looking forward to a little bit warmer weather to get back to the vlogs. Really missing them. Keep thinking I see somebody over there, but I don't know. Not in the camera I don't, so it can't be. Sometimes we get homeless and addicts out there and they're all tranked out, but I don't see anybody out here today. Going through that back walkway is where they usually are. Winds are starting to kick up too, as you can see. That's another thing we're going to have, even if we get 30 centimeters of snow, which is about a foot. it'll be stacked up, drifted way deeper than that in some areas. That was the problem we had the last storm. We didn't really get a big amount of snow like they were thinking we were going to get, but there was so much blowing and drifting that it was still difficult. Not to mention it ended with freezing rain, which turned everything into brick, snow brick. This is South Ontario, Bay of Quinte area. Like I said, if this storm turns out like they think, and we'll have half winter snow in 2 storms here in the last week. Thursday, everybody was home because of all the snow. From the last storm. Here we are 2 days removed from that. We're running out of room to put snow on the sides of the road, and even if you look out in the driveway, they've already had the dozers in here trying to push the snow higher than the snow plows can, just to try and make room to plow more snow. Don't see many people out there at all today. It's really, with the wind, it's really below zero out there. For you guys who understand Fahrenheit better, it's feels like 7 degrees. Almost a 9-degree wind chill out there. The funny part of it is they're out there trying to tuck the rest of the Christmas stuff away, getting ready for Easter. Yesterday was Valentine's Day. As you can see, even in the short term, the heavy snow comes in blasts. It slows down and then picks up, slows down, picks up. Just in the 9 or 10 minutes I've been standing here, that's how it's been going. And the wind, very drifty snow. blowing it all over the place. I'm sure even all the homeless people are up at the warming centers today. I don't know when they open or what, but I'm sure it's already getting to be late afternoon, so pretty soon, I'm sure. Mostly before that, they stay stocked up on gift cards to keep in and out of locations to stay warm and dry. Snow is coming down about 2 or 3 inches, maybe 4 an hour at some points is what they're saying it's going to be, and it looks like it's coming down probably at that rate right now. I mean, we only been here like 12 minutes, and I bet we're close to an inch of snow just since I turned the camera on. And one car out there looks like it just pulled in not long ago, and the windows are still warm. Anyway, like I said, this is the weather we're all hearing about. If you happen to be outside of Canada and you've been hearing about the snowmageddon we've been having, this is what we've been dealing with since this Tuesday actually. We had, like I said, a day and a half without no snow. Not really enough to clean up what was out there because it's been too cold for salt to melt the ice and stuff, but where there's traffic on the roads and whatnot, it did manage to clear up a little bit. Hope you enjoy these little short videos. I can't do a whole lot of vlogging because our equipment right now, we're still got to replace our gimbal. We do have a new camera here. That seems to be doing pretty well. We haven't had a real big chance to test it since I got it, but it's not looking too bad. A little bit we have. Looks like some people are coming back from trying to walk to the store to get their last minute stuff before this storm gets us all snowed in for the rest of the weekend. it did just basically pick up. It's only been flurrying a little bit off and on all day, but now it seems to be here to stay for a while. It's a big first blast of snow. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this. Hope you give us a like and a follow. Check out our other videos and such, and we'll catch you again. Bye-bye.